So what's good, my guys? What's going on, everybody? JA. In today's video, we're kicking things off a little different. Thought y'all would never see it, but got a pair of Jordan Union 1s. But these joints right here, as y'all know, from the time to time, towards the end of the year, I like to sell off some pairs that have been just sitting around or whatever. So I felt like these right here, because the Jordan 1 hype, when it comes to like the hype beast or whatever, is somewhat starting to die down. So felt like it was time to let these joints go. So we have a DS pair. Sold these joints through GOAT. So we gotta have some video evidence here. GOAT, do not play with me. So far we've had all good experiences with y'all. And let's keep that momentum going. So about to drop these joints off to Ups, aka UPS. So we got the label. Get a little Christmas money. Stay tuned, guys, because y'all clicked on this video. We got some early Yeezys to check out, and not just one early Yeezy, but we got 2 early Yeezys, which are set to drop coming up this December. So definitely not gonna want to go anywhere. Stay tuned. We're gonna get to it right coming up next, y'all. So definitely wouldn't be able to make these early looks happen if it wasn't for the gracious sponsors here on our channel. So thank you to Addict. If you guys are looking to cop the most hype releases for retail from your phone, Addict, they've just announced their new 3.0 update, which is gonna be a game changer. So with this new update, they're gonna be improving all of their Shopify, Supreme, and Yeezy modes to guarantee users even more success. Addict is super easy to use. Creating tasks take less than 30 seconds, and their user face is super user friendly. So it's a great opportunity to make a little money reselling on the side, or if you're just looking to secure your sneakers for your personal use. So if you guys are interested in Addict, click the link in the description to sign up at addict.io to be notified as soon as it's back in stock. So I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday season, spending it with very special people. So we're gonna get into these early Yeezy unboxing. These 2 pairs happen to be dropping early December, so let's go ahead and check them out. Let me go outside for better. Hold on. Gotta get a knife. Let's go with this. So, like I mentioned, both of these joints come out earlier next month. Shout out to J Joseph 15, the #1 sneaker plug, for sending these joints over. We got 2 pairs. Let's get into this one. First, you guys see the box, the Yeezy Quantum. Picked these up in my size 11. So this color is called Amber Tint, and you guys already know I'm not really feeling these joints right here. I feel like they gotta switch it up a little bit. And what I'm talking about is this translucent sole. Every Quantum basically got the same color, same black paneling, same neoprene. They gotta do something a little different with it. But not gonna lie though, off my first impression, this upper part, I love the color, the yellow, the blacks in there, but once again, they gotta switch it up, man. The toe cap is cool, got that nice little gray, somewhat of a suede material. You guys see the back. So this is one of those pairs that if you don't own the OG, this is definitely a good pickup, but the crazy part about it is at that $250 retail point, a lot of people just wait for these because they know they're gonna brick and they know they're gonna go under retail. So I think that's a major problem that Adidas has to deal with. Possibly, maybe even considering lowering the retail price point. Plus, the new knit basketball, we recently unboxed those on the channel. And for me, the knit basketball is just on par with the OG Quantum and a little more, you know, a little bit more superior than some of the other colorways. So we got the 500. Now these I believe are dropping on the 3rd of December, and I think these are going to be dropping here on the 4th, or vice versa. So these were pushed back from November, size 11. This colorway is called Ash Gray. And when it comes to the 500, you know what I'm saying, Yeezy, when it comes to the low, they tried to switch up something a little different with the Inflame. These joints right here are a little more in line with like the original Quantum, the 500s, where you have a more tonal, earth tone colorway. My first impression though, these joints are a lot more gray than I expected. So actually not too bad actually. So as you all see, you got the gray bottom, you got the gray upper, and this middle panel almost is like an olive green depending on the lighting. So this is one of those Yeezys that could really play tricks on you depending on the lighting, but it's a great colorway nonetheless. Is it a must-have for me? I would say no, just because I have the blush, which kind of meets these needs. But if you guys are in the market for a great earth tone 500, this is definitely a pickup. And coming in at $200, can't beat it. Plus these joints are mad comfortable. Some would say these run true to size, but just always safe to just half size up. So let me know which ones you guys are feeling more. You got the Quantum Amber Tint, or you got the 500 Low. I like the 500 a lot better. Both of these though will probably be passes for me. So both of these are set to drop early December. Let me know guys in the comments which ones y'all are feeling a little bit more. And just want to thank y'all for tuning in, man. We're gonna have more early looks coming on the channel soon, so make sure you guys are subscribed. And appreciate y'all as always. JA, stay safe, stay blessed, y'all. And I'm out. Salute.